Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
And good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
First of all, I would like to say thank you very much for the time who has given to us to presentate our topic about I am nurse and present progressive tense. Next. Okay, next I would like to introduce our team. In our team there are Miss Octavia Nisi, Mr. Amri, Mr. Akbar Subarka, me, myself, Rizky Hartini, and Miss Ana Amaliana. Next. Okay, so in this topic there are 6 contents. Number 1 is conversation, I am nurse. Number 2, the following duties of a nurse. 3, nursing vocabulary, unit in hospital and professional in hospital. 4, reading. 5, exercise. And the last, present progressive tense. Introduction. Nurses, according to Wardono 2008, are people who have completed nursing professional education and was given authority to carry out its roles and functions. Definition of present progressive tense. It is a form of the verb used to express an action that is taking place now or present or plans in the future. Okay, without waiting any longer, let's get started to the topic. Content number 1 is conversation. I am nurse will be delivered by Mr. Amri and Miss Okta. Next. Okay. Amri is Okta's old friend. They haven't met for several years. Once upon a time, they met each other. Look at the following conversation between Amri and Okta.
Okay, thank you. Hi, Okta. Oh my God, it has been a long time without me. Are you? How are you?
Hi, Amri. Glad to meet you. I'm fine, thank you. What about you?
I'm fine too. We haven't met 4 years and now you look so different.
You're right. We haven't met since we graduated for senior high school.
Do you work in a hospital, Okta?
Yes, I do. I'm nurse of this hospital.
That sounds great. You must be very busy with your duty.
You're right. I must take care patient, make sure their health, have doctors in curing patient, and many more.
Awesome. Anyway, do enjoy your job.
Sure, it's my dream to become a nurse, so I feel happy with my job.
Needs to have that.
Anyway, have you worked?
Yes, I am accountant of private company is this city.
That's cool. You are really keep on accounting when we were in senior high school.
Thank you, Ota.
Anyway, I cannot be any longer. I must be back to nurse station.
Sure. Good luck with your job, Ota.
Thanks you, Amri.
Okay. Content number 2. The following duties of a nurse will be delivered by Mr. Akbar. Mr. Akbar. Mr. Akbar Subarkah. Okay, the following duties of a nurse will be delivered by Miss Okta.
That is of a nurse from yang pertama one perform physical exam and health history. Tugas seorang perawat yang pertama melakukan pemeriksaan fisik dan uh, riwayat kesehatan. Number two, provide health promotion, counseling, and education. Yang kedua, memberikan promosi kesehatan, counseling, dan pendidikan. Number three, administer medication, wound care, and numerous other personalized intervention. Nomor tiga, memberikan obat-obatan, perawatan luka, dan berbagai intervensi pribadi lainnya. Number four, patient information and make critical decision about need action. Yang keempat, menafsirkan informasi pasien dan membuat keputusan penting tentang tindakan yang diperlukan. And number five, coordinator care in collaboration with array of healthcare profesional. Yang kelima itu mengkoordinasikan perawatan bekerja sama dengan beragam profesional perawatan kesehatan.
Okay. Contents number 3. Nursing vocabulary, units in hospital and professional in hospital will be delivered by Miss Anna.
Vocabulary unit in hospital and
I'm sorry, I cannot hear anything. Please louder.
Miss Anna, are you there? Hello? Okay, I'm going to explain about unit in hospitals. First one is admission department atau tempat pendaftaran pasien. Yang kedua, unit central sterile supply department atau ruang tempat sterilan alat atau linen. Yang ketiga, corpse department atau ruang jenazah. Yang keempat, surgical ward atau ruang perawatan bedah. Yang kelima, ambulatory units atau unit rawat jalan. Selanjutnya ada maternity ward atau ruang bersalin. Kemudian ada elderly services department atau ruang perawatan untuk lansia. Kemudian ada laboratory atau laboratorium. Ada inpatient atau ruang rawat inap. Ada mental illness hospital atau rumah sakit jiwa. Ada information center atau pusat informasi. Ada dokter lounge atau ruang dokter, ada nurse station atau ruang jaga perawat, dan ada dentistry unit atau klinik gigi. Kemudian professionals in hospital, ada doctors atau dokter, nurses atau perawat, midwives atau bidan, dietitians atau dokter ahli gizi, dentist, dokter gigi, ophthalmologist atau dokter mata, pharmacist atau apoteker, psikiatris atau psikiater, radiologist atau ahli radiologi, surgeons atau ahli bedah, obstetricians, dokter kandungan, dan pediatricians atau dokter spesialis anak. Next. Okay, content number 4 is reading. Will be delivered by Miss Okta. Miss Okta.
Sorry. Reading. A nurse practitioner is a type of advanced practice. A registered nurse if you are planning to become a nurse practitioner. Now that you are reaching toward one of the highest position in the nursing field, it takes a great deal of time, education, experience, and dedication to become a nurse of this sort. Like other nurse practitioners work to help accommodate and care for patients in healthcare settings. However, most of the time, nurse practitioners have much more responsibility than other types of nurse. In fact, they are often in charge of supervising nursing professionals such as registered nurse and licensed practitioner nurse. They are also able to actively participate more in their patient care due to their increased clinical knowledge and patient care techniques. Nurse practitioners can also specialize in certain areas, much like physician, family nurse practitioner, for instance. They deal with the general and physical health of the patient. In contrast, pediatric nurse practitioners deal primarily with children, while geriatric nurse practitioners deal primarily with elderly patients. Other areas that nurse practitioners might specialize in include obstetrics, gynecology, neurology, and anesthesiology. Terjemahannya, praktisi perawat adalah jenis perawat terdaftar praktik lanjutan. Jika Anda berencana menjadi praktik perawat, ketahuilah bahwa Anda sedang mencapai salah satu posisi tertinggi di bidang keperawatan. Dibutuhkan banyak waktu, pendidikan, pengalaman, dan dedikasi untuk menjadi perawat semacam ini. Seperti perawat lain, praktisi perawat bekerja untuk membantu mengakomodasi dan pengaturan perawatan pasien. Namun, seringkali perawat praktisi memiliki lebih banyak tanggung jawab dibandingkan jenis perawat lainnya. Faktanya, mereka sering bertugas mengawasi profesional keperawatan seperti perawat terdaftar dan perawat praktis berlisensi. Mereka juga dapat berpartisipasi lebih aktif dalam perawatan pasien karena peningkatan pengetahuan klinis dan teknik perawatan pasien. Praktisi perawat juga dapat berspesialisasi dalam bidang tertentu seperti physicians, terus perawat keluarga misalnya menangani kesehatan umum dan fisik pasien. Sebaliknya, praktisi perawat pediatrik menangani terutama bagian anak-anak. Sedangkan praktisi perawat geriatri terutama menangani pasien yang lansia. Area lainnya yang mungkin menjadi spesialisasi praktisi perawat termasuk kebidanan, ginekolog, neurologi, dan anestesiologi.
Mr. Amri, please.
Oh, thank you. Sorry, no voice. The form of the verb use to express an action that is talking, please know, present or friends in the picture, because it can be used in the present or in the picture. This tense is often accompanied by an verb of time to clarify it. What is an verb of time? A verb of time is an verb that is used to express the time of occurrence of an event or event. When is an integrative word that can to use to ask question, to solve an a verb of time. One characteristic of the present progressive of present continuous in the ing suffix at the date of the verb. This is indicate that the action to still going to on the speaker makes his stance. Lanjut ya. Function of using present progressive tense. If you want to state an activity or action that's being carried out the present time, declare activities in the wrong time. Long time activities include routine activities that are taking place in the near future. This week, this month, this year. If you want to tell me your action plan, usually the format of formula. Number 4, if you want to complain, because you are feeling annoyed when you tell your friends, you can use this tense. Number 5 can also be as circumstances that are happening or often occur. Next, the present progressive tense is used for ongoing action in the present. Present progressive tense digunakan untuk tindakan yang sedang berlangsung di masa sekarang. Verb plus ing sama dengan present participle. Subject plus to be, am, is, are plus present participle. Membuat kue, cake. Am is reading a book. Amri sedang membaca buku. Ani is baking a cake. Ani sedang membuat kue. Ongoing activity now. Past, present, picture. Next. Even though it is present tense, the present progressive tense can also be asked to describe an active, activity, active that is going to happen in the future, especially for planned activities. Meskipun berbentuk present tense, present progressive tense dapat juga mendeskripsikan suatu kegiatan yang akan terjadi di masa yang akan datang, terutama untuk kegiatan yang direncanakan. I'm is are plus present participle. Amri is going to campus tomorrow. Amri pergi ke kampus besok. We are moving to Bandung in the summer. Kami pindah ke Bandung pada musim panas. Ongoing activity now. Past, present, future. Thank you.
Okay, next slide will be delivered by Mr. Akbar. Mr. Akbar. Okay, this slide will be delivered by Ms. Okta.
Present progressive tense formula. This from cook, eat, speak. Plus E from jadinya cooking, eating, speaking. Base form buy, enjoy, try. Plus ing from jadinya buying, enjoying, trying. Finally, leader is in the same place. Base from go, do, plus ing from going and doing. Base from drive, share, write, plus ing from driving, sharing, writing. Finally, letter E is eliminating. Base from lie, leave, plus ing from is laying and laying. Base from skip, put, and swim, plus ing from jadi skipping, putting, and swimming. Untuk kalimat positif, verbalnya itu kita bisa pakai subjek plus am, are, is, dan verbalnya kita tambahin ing. Nah, untuk yang negatifnya, kalimat negatif, subjeknya ditambah I am not, terus are not, is not, plus verbalnya ditambahin ing. Nah, untuk kalimat tanda tanya yang positif, itu kita pakai I'm, are, is, plus subjek, dan plus verbalnya ditambahin ing. Terus kalau yang untuk tanda tanya negatif, dalam bentuk negatif, itu pakainya is, am, are, plus not, plus subject, plus verb ing. Atau is not, aren't, plus subject, plus verb, tambahin ing. tambahan, jadi tambahkan ing di kata kerja, tambahkan ing di kata kerja, contoh play jadi playing, terus sound jadi sounding, terus untuk kata kerja dengan akhiran hilangkan e-nya dan tambahkan ing. Contohnya prepare jadi preparing, terus write jadi writing. Terus untuk kata kerja dengan akhiran ie ganti ie dengan y dan tambahkan ing. Like jadi lying, auntie jadi aunting. Terus untuk kata kerja yang suku kata terakhirnya ditulis konsonan vokal konsonan dan diberikan tekanan gandakan konsonan terakhir dan tambahkan ing. Contohnya run jadi running, forget jadi forgetting. Lanjut. Next. Di sana?
Ya, Kak. Apakah suara saya terdengar, Kak?
Yes.
Maaf ya, Kak, kalau off cam ya. Selanjutnya ada present progressive tense formula. Pertama, positive sentence. In positive sentence, you can use the formula subject plus be, am, is, or are plus present participle plus ing. Example, the first, the ships are sailing. Kapal-kapal itu sedang berlayar. And the second is he is smiling. Dia sedang tersenyum. Lalu ada negative sentence. In making negative sentence, you only need to add not before the verb. Formulanya ada subject plus be plus not plus present participle plus ing. Example, I'm not working. Saya tidak sedang bekerja. She's not cooking. Dia tidak sedang memasak. He's not smiling. Dia tidak sedang tersenyum. My friends are not swimming. Teman-temanku tidak sedang berenang. We are not running. Kita tidak sedang berlari. The ships are not sailing. Kapal-kapal itu tidak sedang berlayar. Lalu yang terakhir ada interrogative sentence. There is a change in the sentence structure if you want it to be made into an interactive sentence or a question sentence. The formula used is be plus subject plus present participle plus ing, and the example sentence to be plus subject plus present participle. Contohnya, is a doctor going to the patient? Lalu, whether the nurse is injecting the patient? Selanjutnya, question word plus to be plus subject plus present participle. Contohnya, when are patient coming to the hospital? Lalu, where is the doctor take the patient? Selanjutnya, ada to be plus subject plus present participle plus choice A plus or plus choice B. Contohnya, is the patient looking for a doctor or nurse? Lalu, am I bothering you or is it fun? Yang terakhir, ada subject plus subject. Maksudnya ada to be plus subject plus present participle A plus or plus present participle B. Contohnya, are Amir and Ani fishing off or swimming off on the lake?
Okay, I think that's all for our presentation today. And thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.